Hey you guys, so today is Valentine's Day, and so it's like 12 o'clock or 12:30, something like that. And whatever I do today is just how we're gonna be for Valentine's Day. It's not that big a deal. I'm really just gonna do my makeup how I normally have been doing it, because I do have on lashes, even though I definitely need a refill. This eye is looking so I'm just gonna look crazy for a few days till I go get them refilled. If I get them refilled, I'm not 100% sure yet, only because I'm blabbing, but I'm just gonna tell you anyways, only because it's just so hard for me to sleep with lashes. It's like going to sleep, I know I have them in, I don't want to mess them up. You just paid all this money to get them done, so I don't get any sleep. I got all these bags under my eyes. It's just like, but then when I do have them, it's great. If you are in Houston, I went to my girl at Mink Lash Spa. I will put the, the link to her website down below in the description box for you, just in case you want to stop by. She is super sweet. Really wants to customize your lashes like to you and not just give you a random like basic pair of lashes. So first I'm just taking this Hourglass powder because, ooh, I think I've done enough powder. Okay, so I need my face to stay super matte, and y'all, to be honest, nothing I have been doing as far as primer has been working lately. I don't know. Here in Houston, we really did not get a winter. It was cold for just like maybe a few days here and there, and then of course in the mornings it's kind of cooler, but y'all, Okay, so going into foundation, I am going to use my Huda Beauty foundation. I found with this foundation that if I do too much, it makes me look oilier or greasier faster, even though it's super matte. I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. It just doesn't hold like that matteness. I don't even know if that's a word. So I'm going to do this in a few sections. I do have some spots right along here. I'm gonna go in straight to concealer. This is a Fenty in 360, which is, you know, super close to my skin tone. I'm gonna take a little bit of the e.l.f. camo concealer, and normally I would have done the camo first, but it's all good. Just kind of tap it very lightly. And to set, I'm just going to, I always look so tired. Set with the Fenty blotting stuff, powder. I do want a like highlight for today underneath my eyes, but I'm not really trying to make this super cakey. I will add a little bit of my Huda Beauty setting powder. I don't even know if I want to do this a little brighter right in there. Next is brows. And then I'm just gonna clean them up with that same Fenty concealer. On an everyday basis, I just use my shade, but today I'm gonna do, it's probably gonna end up looking like my color. Just like a tittle bit lighter. Okay, so brows are done. Just going to, completely forgot about this, sweep this rest of this powder off my face. My allergies are horrible today. Next, I'm going to put a tiny, I think I'm just gonna use like 1 or 2 colors on my eyes. I'm just gonna do a little bit of depth though on my outer corner. So I'm just gonna take like a brown and same brush, because that's just what I do. And just kind of bring it to the, I probably need a different brush. Just kind of bring it to the outer corners. Try not to mess up my lashes, which is why I don't do that much makeup when it comes to like wearing lashes. Steps super quick: bronzer, blush, and lips. I did put a little bit of liner on like close to my lashes, and then on my waterline with some mascara. So I didn't know I was gonna do it, so I did it. But while I have this here, let me set these little bitty brows of mine. Some brow gel. Last but not least, I haven't really been doing highlight lately, so I'm just gonna keep it how I've been doing it, you guys. And I'm just taking the Fenty afternoon snack Mo Honey, one of these. Probably mix them together like I just did. Do the tip of my nose like that, and then a little bridge like here. And that's it. I'm gonna finish my hair and then I will be back. So here is my final look. This is my Valentine's Day look. I may add a little bit more gloss like when it's close to time for us to go, but other than that, this is how I will be wearing my hair, my makeup. This is how I'll be looking today. I will put all the information for this look in the description box for you. I hope you enjoyed it. My eye is sticking. I hope it was easy enough to follow. I do simple, very simple, easy, boring makeup. I hope you guys have and had a really great Valentine's Day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. It's a lot of this going on. All right, that is it. I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.